For example, you want to change the format like which is given in cell number 3, row number 3, 7841989, which is used a proper embedded ID format. So if you want to do that, you can do it in two ways. Like you can type it manually 784 and then you can add that dash, and then again after 4 digit you again that dash, and you can make the format this way. But you can use this way also. You can go to the number, you can do it from the system, and you go to the custom. Here you need to type 3 digit 784, then dash, then the date of birth 4 digit, and then again 7 digit, right, and then the last digit. So press enter and you can make your format this way also. Follow me for more Excel tips.